All right, me and Jimmy Boy are on our way to Vung, so let's go. Yeah, I've been back from walk for a week. I got pretty sick when I got back, something I ate there or when I got back in Ho Chi Minh, but the worst food poisoning I've had to date. Jimmy Boy drives all gas. He's like, my friends say I drive slow. He drives just like a Vietnam. He's my neighbor, he's a cool dude. We get along well. Seems to be the quickest way to make a friend, just through a neighbor. You know, my last good friend was my neighbor as well. I've met a lot of good people at my building. You know, I've helped 2 different people move in. I should get some kind of kickback from the building. But it's many different like leasing agencies to the building, so not much I can do about that. But yeah, I just met a guy in the elevator the other day that said he rented the apartment from my video. They were in Quan 7 and they both work in D1 and the commute was a pain. So we're getting out of the city pretty soon here. How long till we're out of the city? 10 minutes?
Yeah. 15 days.
Oh shit. Strap my helmet. So yeah, Bangkok was alright. A little bit pricey in my opinion for what it is. It's more like a Mexico situation where you're like, you're trying to just stay at your resort and chill. If you're gonna do that, you'll probably like it. The island's really dirty, you got a lot of trash everywhere. It's just a bit overpriced. It's up to you. I mean, I wouldn't bucket list it if I was here. But if you live here and you want like a little vacation, it could be pretty good. You got the smell, so there's some snake hide up here. Maybe medicine, herbal medicine, it looks like. Come on, big guy. On the road again. Goes Jimmy. Jim's young at heart. Gets right in there. I don't know what the fuck this minivan is. Catching up with Jim. All gas, no brakes, Jim. Yeah, I just don't drive as fast as that. I'm not in a hurry. I truly drive like an old man. Another minivan taking a right. Is it going to actually take the right? It's just going to virtue signal. Oh, Jimmy is a risky guy. Yeah, I don't drive like he does. That's for sure. Wow. I mean, he's kind of got the Vietnamese driving down. It's just, you know, I'm a cautious driver. We got a mom carrying a kid's car, taking up both lanes. Legit. I think she's carrying that shit solo. There could be a hubby in front. Oh yeah, there is. Weather's real nice out today. I'd say it's 80 degrees. Nice breeze. That's the crazy thing about Vung Tau or Phuquak. Oh, there's cattle. I hope I got that cattle camera. I want to take this stupid fucking mask off. The American school. Jim wants to pass. He's itching to pass. I told him we're not in a hurry.
A few moments later.
No motorbike or okay?
I thought it said no motorbike, right? I think that's no motorbike, buddy. Malibu. Yeah, I don't think we can go this way. I think we have to go a different way. Yeah, but this is no motorbike. We'll get pulled over. They love to give that ticket. We probably have to go alternate route that's for motorbikes only.
Okay.
Let's try to get off.
A few moments later.
Fucking shit. I guess I gotta be the GPS.
A few moments later.
Now I can drive slower too. Hopefully we get on the right path here. Okay. 2 hours and 16 minutes. Let me come back on once we've, pretty cool. So we're at like a port.
Boat ride's coming up.
Boat ride, yeah.
I remember that.
So we're at the port, and I think we get on like a boat now. Pretty cool, pretty dangerous area. Lots of semis just pulling out, not abiding any kind of traffic situation. I'm pretty excited for what's going to happen up here. Nothing like experiencing a new journey. Random dogs. Prager. Oh, this is cool. How does this work? How much is it? Do we just go? Everyone else is just going.
We gotta have a ticket on the boat, I think. This guy here, I got it.
You're gonna pay for both?
Yeah.
Two.
Go ahead.
you going? Oh, everybody's flooding in. This is one for the fucking YouTube. This is great. This is the type of shit I like to get. Stuff you don't see.
Pack it in like sardines.
Pretty cool, man.
Yeah, check it out.
This is good YouTube content.
You got it on?
Huh?
Are you filming?
Yeah, for sure. This is awesome. Couldn't be cooler. You just gotta kind of stand your ground when you're in a situation like this. People will just cut right in front of you. Just kind of hold your ground. Wow, we're already moving?
3K.
3K?
They don't mess around here.
Super dope. We all packed in for no reason. There's like so much room behind us. Tried to kill us, took us on the freeway of death.
I just wanted to give you the full view.
Yeah, get that adrenaline. You know, we would have got blown off that bridge, dude. That bridge was, it must go over this. That must have been where we were at.
Oh, yeah.
The highway going over.
That way, it only takes us an hour and a half by car.
Yeah. We got 2 hours to go. No rush. It hurts your ears. This is pretty legit, dude. So you've done this motorbike journey before? Since you've been here now or previous?
Since I've been here now.
And how many times have you been to Vietnam before you moved here?
Once before.
Huh?
Just once for 2 weeks.
Charging us. Did you watch the premiere today?
Yeah. Nice pool.
That was a great pool. Holy shit, I'm hungry.
A few moments later.
Follow the locals, that's what I do.
Fucking awesome. This is so dope. I love Vietnam sometimes. All the time. Cool little video we got today. Sit in front of the car is always the key. there he is. I was waiting for you.
Not quiet bike.
Now we got a 2-hour ride to Vung. That boat thing was cool, man. I dig it. I got the backpack full of shit, but it's positioned on the bike to where I don't feel the weight. Dude, the rain is coming. Oh, we got a Russian chick. What's good, Russia? Nostrovia. She got the Viet purse. She looks like she lives here. Back the other way. How about this one?
That's a resident.
Oh. I think we gotta head back, bro.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
It's about to rain.
Find cover.
Take a look at some more, but maybe we should. Yeah, I think maybe we should find a place. There's this bar I like. I just can't remember. Impromptu U-turn. Hey, it's about to fucking rain. Wasn't there?
It looked like it was off.
Huh. Okay, well,
Now it's on again.
I don't know if I was filming or not, but we're at hotel number 1, Malibu, and we're gonna take a look at a room. It's about, what was it, 50 bucks a night? Okay, let's go. Crank down my juke. It seems like rich people stay here, so. It's pretty nice, actually. Oh, here's the menu. Oh, it went away. Grilled chopped squid. Oh, it's all seafood, so I don't think I'll probably skip that. You know how I am on the seafood.
You get plenty, right?
I eat so much with Winnie. Let's pull the camera down a little bit in case. Oh, it's a little high. Oh. Well, I should have adjusted that on the bike, huh, guys? YouTube. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
Come on. YouTuber.
Camera.
Yeah. Camera. Famous YouTuber of Vietnam.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're famous.
Now you will be famous. They will ask for your phone number.
Oh.
So it's 20 floors tall. Come on. Wow, it's really nice. It's like Vegas high end, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Holy shit. Well, pretty nice, huh?
It's okay.
Sony TV. Oh, it's got this weird, like, little pho balcony. Huh. Has balcony.
Yes, but you can open the door.
Let's see. It doesn't open?
Yeah, no.
Wow, dude, you can see the ocean too, man. Look.
Yeah. Got a little corner view. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, you got this whole one here too.
Yeah. Beautiful.
What are these? Apartments?
Yes.
Apartment? Oh.
Is that where you live?
You live top floor.
You top floor penthouse, you?
Yeah, I think we head towards the Jesus, right? And take a look at the ones towards the Jesus as
Yeah.
well. Wrong?
Oh, you know.
You can't say that. That's not. You have to be American now and say, you don't know if she identifies as a sweetheart. Pretty nice. I would be happy with this if this is what we end up getting. It's got a bit of cigarette smell though. There's a hint of cigarette. Let's see. Give you the full tour. So this is Malibu and it's $51 a night. I think it was 1.2 million. I don't think that's 51.
Do you have something that's not the last? Two.
Deluxe twin and deluxe couple. Deluxe twin and deluxe couple.
Okay. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah. So how much are the twins?
This one is double room.
Okay, right here. Okay.
So it's more money on the app as well.
No, 46.
How much was it? 51?
Yeah.
Yeah, but when you do it for 2 days, does it add another fee on?
I don't know. I didn't do
It
that.
might add like 200 or 300K on. I mean, to save $8 on. See, 53. Told you.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper to book here. Okay, so we know what this looks like. We're gonna go look at a few more.
Okay.
So, do you like it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a great hotel.
Yeah, but let's look around. See
Yeah, let's look see.
where the action is.
Do we have to pay this, or do you stamp it or something? How much do I have to pay for this?
No, it's free.
It's free. Okay.
And we have a pool on the fifth floor, so would you like to?
Do you want to look at the pool real quick? Yeah, let's take a look at the pool. Makes for good YouTube content. I've never done this before. Like looked at hotels ahead of time.
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah. I always just go off booking. I'm like an elite member on booking. Most places I don't have to pay by a credit card on booking anymore either. I can just book it.
You show up.
Yeah. I don't like that paying ahead shit. It makes it difficult if the hotel sucks when you get there. Are there any rooms available on the top floor?
Yes.
Awesome. That'd be the way to go if we do. Right?
Yeah, top floor.
I'm all about that top floor. Do you hear your neighbors above you?
Yeah, every once in a while they move the chairs.
Yeah, that's that. My guy was smart. He had the company build it there, so they got rollers on the chairs. It just as soon as you sit up, there's like a little roller on each side, and it's even got like a little pad underneath it.
Yeah, that's what. I got little Teflon things, but they still make a little noise.
I can hear my guy take a piss at night.
Thanks. Now I gotta go.
Oh, what is this chic? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
Your bag?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Xin chao. Because I know we're going to spend some time at the pool, right? I mean, I plan on chilling out. Probably on Tuesday we'll chill out in the morning. Oh wow, pool's dope, dude. Right? A little small, but. Cool little lounge area though. I mean, it's not bad. Hippo mode. And it's deep, 1.6 meters. It's deeper than our pool by like 0.2 meters. And a nice bar. Pretty cool. All right, guys, that was Malibu Hotel. We'll show you the next one. Xin chao. Okay, so me and Jim, we landed in the bar I like to drink at last time, and I met a subscriber like immediately, which is always pretty cool. Say hello, man.
Yeah, walk in the door. How you doing, everybody?
Yeah, I walk in the door, and we sat down 2 minutes, and the guy comes in, he's like, oh, fat and broke. And then he handed me his card, and he told me, and I remember he emailed me. He's like, no, Vung Tao's good, I promise you. So I plan on meeting the rest of you guys too, so I'm gonna upload this tonight. So all you other Vung Tao guys, I'm gonna be here for like 3 or 4 days. So email me or hit me on Instagram, and we'll all meet up, and we'll all get some beers, and we'll hang out, and show me the cool parts of Vung Tao. So we had a pizza, it was really good, right?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
I like the pizza.
Ned Kelly's. Can't beat Ned Kelly.
Yeah, you can't beat the Ned
Make
Kellys.
sure you stop in and say Fat and Broke at Ned Kelly's.
All right, guys.
Our new management and got great specials.
Same girls though. These girls were here last
yeah.
time. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace.